Decoding the if in indirect requests and offers. Hello, English learners. Today we're going to delve into a very important topic that will significantly improve your conversational English. We'll be discussing the role of if statements in making indirect requests and offers. If is a small word, but it plays a huge role in making your English sound more polite, indirect, and native-like. The use of if statements in English is incredibly versatile. Beyond its common role in conditional sentences, it can be used to soften the tone of our requests and offers, making them sound more polite and less demanding. Let's start with an example of a direct request. Can you lend me your book? Now, let's transform it into an indirect request using if. If it's not too much trouble, could you lend me your book? By using if, we've added an extra layer of courtesy, making the request more pleasant to the listener. When we use if in indirect requests, we often suggest a possible condition or situation, making it easier for the person to say no if they need to. It is a way of showing respect for the other person's time, space, and feelings. Consider another example. Direct request, give me a discount. Indirect request, if you could give me a discount, I would greatly appreciate it. The indirect request sounds less demanding and more respectful, doesn't it? That's the power of if in action. Just as if can be used to make requests more polite, it can also be used to make offers more tactful and less intrusive. It suggests that the offer is contingent on the other person's needs or desires. Let's examine this. Direct offer. I can help you with your homework. Indirect offer. If you like, I can help you with your homework. In the indirect offer, if makes the offer sound more tentative and less assuming. It implies that the help is available but not imposed. And there you have it. By including if in your requests and offers, you can make your English more tactful and indirect, just like a native speaker. Remember, learning English is not just about vocabulary and grammar. It's also about understanding the subtleties of the language to communicate effectively and politely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to practice using if in your daily conversations. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in our next lesson.